girlfriend, wife, mother, or if you're like my daughter, you might be called mommy, sister, caregiver, cook. Oh, there's so many titles and hats that you and I are wearing. And we have the incredible honor and privilege of adding business owner to that, or entrepreneur. It is not easy. And 9 times out of 10, you all, we're doing too much. We're working harder than we need to. And I know I discovered that I was working way too hard, wearing way too many hats, because I was operating in things I was good at, things I was okay at. And it took me understanding my genius. And it changed everything. Instead of wearing all these hats and all these titles, I got to wear one, genius, and begin to carve away everything else. Yeah, we can't take away the life titles that we have, but we can change all the business titles. So if you're your accountant, bookkeeper, marketing department, janitor, admin, business owner, client specialist, you have enough titles in your life as it is. Let me show you how to get your main title, genius, and shift how you are running your business, which will overflow to how you're running your life. It is a complete game changer. And you know, before I put stuff out there, I test it. So I tested this and I've watched businesses catapult from 5 figures to 6 figures, and some from 6 figures into 7 figures. Why? Because they shifted one key thing. They began to understand their genius. I was able to walk them through creating a genius map, step by step, to moving into your full genius. So you don't have to say anymore, wow, I'm only operating in my genius 5% of the time or less, or 10% of the time or less. So I want to show you how to walk this out. But first we got to talk about what is your genius. It's not what you think. It's not even what you're great at. It's a whole other level that adds the super to your natural. So tune into the Genius Factor. We're going to break this thing down in a way that you can immediately implement it, step by step, in your genius map. I'll see you soon.